So we are in the Blair Atholl car park and we're about to set off to the Bothy. Often when you come to Scotland, any mountainous area, certainly in the sort of winter months, any months saying that, you have to change your plans. We were originally going to head for the summit of Beinn Dearg, and the winds that have been forecast are inconsistent with being able to stand up, let alone pitch a tent. So we've changed our plans a little bit. The winds are still very high tomorrow, so we're hoping they subside enough for us to be able to make an attempt on the summit. We're going to stay at the Bothy tonight, which is luxury. We're hoping there's no large party of people there. We just have to sort of force ourselves in, but we have a fire log each, and Ben's got some whiskey, so I think we can batter our way in if it's a busy Bothy. So it's a shortish walk in heightening winds, and tomorrow lots of snow's forecast and poor visibility and all sorts of fun winter stuff. So we're gonna have a bimble up and see if we can do Beinn Dearg, but I'm not sure. Then we've also got Saturday. John joins us, and that's the main event, is Saturday. We've got some interesting things going on then. So anyway, we're gonna crack on because it's time to go. Approaching the Bothy now, so it's going to be really nice. I must admit, I've been in tents in these kind of conditions, and it's an experience. But the thought of a Bothy right now is quite nice, because it is quite windy, but it's not bad actually. It's better than I thought. Anyway, we'll crack on. Oh, wow, that is awesome. You don't get much better than this. What can I say? But wow. We just sweated. Well, here we are. Can't believe how awesome this Bothy is, and I know the Bothy Association do a fantastic job. But it's a really nice place, and I think neither of us really expected it to be this kind of quality. Got a brew, gonna have dinner. We have our fire logs somewhere. Someone's left some fuel here anyway, but we'll try and use as little as that's possible because we brought our own. Gonna have dinner. It's gonna get dark in about an hour, and feeling toasty warm. It's not how we thought it was going to work out, but weather forecast, as we came over, we did get gusts, but it is quite sheltered on the way up, and I think if we'd have done our original plan of actually camping high, then we'd have probably died. Either that or been
Blown away.
Yeah, blown away, not very well. But yeah, no, this is good. We'll see what tomorrow brings in terms of weather. Dinner time.
So, plan is, we're going to use the little bag we carried up yesterday. Although we didn't talk about it and thought, well, we could have actually used one of the rucksacks and decanted out of that. But anyway, it's easy to be wise in hindsight. We're going to do the summit, and then we're going to, well, I say we're going to do the summit, we're going to attempt the summit. We're not sure what the weather's going to be like up there. And if we can do it, we will. And then we'll come back down here and take the kit back down to the car. That's the plan. Let's see. Absolutely, how it works out.
We're still kind of sheltered really, so we haven't got an idea what the winds are going to be like. We're about 600 metres before the start of the descent up onto the plateau, so we'll see. It's still pretty windy down here. I think up there is going to be very interesting. So we're about a mile or so away from the summit. Still don't know if we're going to make it. We're still in the loop of the hill here, trying to pick a course just off the ridge top. But that last section for about 200 metres is exposed. But hey, we could go and try and find out. So here we go. There's the summit! We've made it! We're gonna get the hell out of here though, because it's very windy! So we found our footprints again. We're on our way well back down now. The wind's picked up though. Things are getting worse. But hey, we've done the summit. We didn't think we'd do that, to be honest. So we'll crack on. Took a bit of a cross-country route because the wind on the way back down was in our face, so we just thought, you know what, let's just do it, and it proved to be the right call. We're back in the gully now, heading back down to the Bothy. it got rather windy up there. It seemed, I've had this other debate about it, really seemed that once you got up there, hit the summit, then just this gust came in and it just got worse. And there seems to be a lot more snow around now, but what a day. Really, really was fun up there. You got this blasted Arctic landscape, so yeah. Back down here and cup of tea at the Bothy, then back down to the car for hopefully Saturday. Hello. You don't mean no harm? You mean no harm at all? To be a lot harder than the walk in. The snow and the wind, wow. There was a very deep drift back there as well. But the little encounters we're having with the snowhead are just unbelievable. The one earlier before the Bothy, who just kind of sat up, walk up to us and just kind of sat there looking. Such a beautiful little creature. Such a shame that they are persecuted the way that they are. They're such an inquisitive, beautiful thing, and to live out here and to make it their home all year round. Ultimate respect, such a nice experience. But yeah, this is proving a little harder than we thought. But hey, we'll come here for that kind of experience.